Alright guys, the dumplings are ready. This is my dodgooi. This was my favorite childhood meal, guys. Oh, my sister used to cook this. Yep, it's ready. Now we are going to enjoy our lunch. Bon appetit. Welcome back to another beautiful Sunday. Today I'm going to prepare dumplings. We call it dodgooi. I think the South African call it dombolo. So this is basically just the meat. I put some few bones and meat in. I'm going to let them boil. Once they are ready, I'm going to prepare the dough for the dumplings now, and then we're just gonna go ahead and eat with rice. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, this is all the ingredients that you need for your dumpling dough. So now this is 2 cups of wheat, 2 cups of wheat. Okay, that's the wheat, and then you have 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And then you have half cup of sugar. These 2, I'm going to add them on the meat. It's very nice for the sauce. So then I'm going to add all my seasoning. I'm going to add my seasoning now. This garlic and herbs is also nice. It's a must have in the kitchen. The white pepper, and then the coconut spice and a bit of parsley. And then I'm going to make a dough with a garlic spread. It's a garlic butter. So let's do it then. Okay, the dough is ready. We're going to leave it 1 hour to rest, just to double the size. So that is after the 1 hour rest. Now we can just go ahead and prepare the rolls for the dumplings. We are going to use the garlic spread. Kiwa kana kwe kurara kuchakageko kurwabwa keharam kushuru nganunguro ba. Who does that?
My forehead feel warm.
Seems like the food was too much. We could not even finish, and we are all so full, guys. Like, look at this one.
Why me?
Why we could food was really delicious. The doctor was very, very, very delicious. Seems like it's become the family favorite now.
Every Sunday do it.
Every Sunday, eh? We must do it. How was it?
10 out of 10.
Oh, thank you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You had my son.
9 out of 10 pizza.
I got 10 out of 10. Look at that one.
My forehead feel warm.
Like really? Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Really much appreciate you guys, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so, and if you haven't pressed your notification button, kindly please press that bell. It's literally for free. By subscribing, by turning your notification bell, it's just it's free. And yeah, there is still more cooking content that is coming. I'm a mother of 3 and I like to cook the food from scratch. We don't do takeaway that much. Most of the time, if I feel like making pizza, I cook pizza. If I feel like doing baker, we do baker from home. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I love you all. Bye.